What's the yogis? Do you know with your meditation, with your asanas, with your pranayama, there is a practice that you can activate your digestive system. You can increase your appetite. It's a very beautiful practice. It comes under awakening of Manipur Chakra. So today my topic is the benefits of Manipur Chakra. This platform is for serious yogis who are the practitioners who are looking for the growth. So please stay tuned. There are a lot of asanas that you can directly boost your Manipur Chakra. When we talk about the benefits, the first benefit is because it's concerned with the fire element. So you have a lot of fire in your body. If you will go with science, that's called digestive fire. This word Mandagni or Jatragni. It's a very big word in Ayurveda. You will not find these videos on this topic which is related with your practice. What Jatragni does, it is responsible to make the hunger. When you start to feel hungry, I would say I think most of the people they run behind that to fill the hunger, our appetite. So this is for a human being that we get this hunger and everyone is running behind the hunger. So basically what Jatragni does, it makes that fire inside that it wants to burn. And what to burn? Whatever you will put in, that's our food. So the basic work of Manipur Chakra, because the center of our body, it is responsible for aligned all the channels together. So Manipur Chakra has a big role in our digestion. So first thing, it burns whatever is there, it will burn. And the Jatragni level, it depends on your immunity, how strong your immunity is, how nice you do your workouts, how nicely you do your breathing practice. You have that capacity to burn. So your appetite will be highly increased. The second benefit, what Manipur Chakra does, it makes you so self-centered. So people who are not capable of making nice balance in physical workout, so what Manipur Chakra gives you, it gives you that self-centeredness, that you will be fully concentrated. Your body will be in a proper alignment. Sometimes during the poses, we feel difficulty to reach in that proper pose or to do it appropriately. So Manipur Chakra is very good for aligning the body parts. Third, the physical part. When your digestive system is active, you nicely digest the food. Your small intestine, your large intestine, all will be relaxed. So what they get, all the nutrients are being nurtured. Next benefit, that Manipur Chakra plays a vital role on liver. If you know, your liver is the king of your body. Everything is concerned. If you are talking about the digestion, even before digestion, that appetite. So basically liver, if you have a good liver, you have a good body, you have a good appetite, means you have that hunger. In this time, there are people that they don't get that hunger, which is so pity, so sad. Liver is better, means you have the proper digestive tract. And the next benefit for the kidneys, imagine how nicely the kidneys they function. They just release all the toxins of the body. So they get fresh oxygenated blood to refine. So Manipur Chakra has a very nice command all this area. If you know Saman Prana, there are 5 kinds of pranas. So one of them, Saman, it stays here. It is responsible to recover all these parts, all the organs which are coming and staying on this part. Manipur Chakra is reflecting energy, but it has the fire element. And you know, the fire is an auspicious element in Hinduism, in Buddhism, which is highly praised in all festivities and all celebrations. And if you go spiritually, so fire is the element of heat, and fire is very much required in our system. So now I will cover the mental aspect. What are the mental aspect of Manipur Chakra? You're meditating on Manipur Chakra. What happened? Why we practice on Manipur Chakra? So what happens? This is the center. So for yogis, we are pulling our prana up over the structure of our body, that everything is settled on pelvis. Pelvis is designed to have the base. It gives the basement to the spine. And over there, all our nerves. Why the nerves are concerned with the spine? Because all the information is passing. So when you concentrate on Manipur Chakra, you pull your prana up, all the energy will transfer towards the heart. And the most important thing, that you are practicing on Manipur Chakra, but you feel calm. You have the fire element. You are so energetic internally. Internally, as I use that word self-centeredness, it comes through Manipur Chakra, because this is the central point, and central point has more responsibility, more work to align others, to align other parts. The second work of Manipur Chakra, mentally, it makes you so strong. You are furious. You will be so confident that you don't hesitate to attain anything, and you can do anything with your self-confidence. I will come to spiritually. This is the most beautiful practice, as we are yogis, for us to be into that spiritual world and to go with that cosmic flow. So spiritually, you are so awake. It gives you that visualization. Eyes are wide open. Your heart is so open that you have that openness to accept the truth of the universe, of the life. So spiritually, when you're awake, you believe in everything, you accept everything, whatever nature gives to you, that's most welcome. So this was my topic. Hope you enjoyed. And if you like the video, please don't hesitate to press like button. Put your comments, ask questions, let me know how is your chakra moving, how is your practice going on, and please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching. Namaste.